Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in YouTube marketing we'll discuss about YouTube ads, the monetization part, the money part. YouTube ads, what are the different types of ads that are available for us as far as YouTube ads are concerned? This is called as true view in-stream ads. If you see that here, you skip ad here, he is written, that is the in-stream ad. When the video is played by the user, the ad is played here first before the actual video appears. Then after 3-4 seconds, you will get this text, a message like skip ads. If you want to skip the ad, you can skip the ad, but if you want to play the ad, you can play the complete ad. Here, this is called the in-stream ad. Then you have got the overlay in view ad. You are watching a video, the user is watching a video, and you will see an ad here on the top of the video, and there is of course a close X button. If you click on the close, this will disappear, but if you want to keep it, you can keep it, but it will appear inside the video that is being played. This is a kind of a display ad, and this is kind of a video ad. Here you have one more like a true in display ad. You see here, besides from the playlist that is appearing, the video is being played here, the ad will display here, and this is actually an in display ad. Then you have got a bigger ad which appears here on right beside the video that is being played. This is called as a display ad. So these are the different types of video ads or YouTube ads that are available for us. Some of the ad strategies that are associated with the ads on YouTube is concerned. The first and foremost point that you need to have is set a purpose, a goal and objective for your video, and that is what actually drives you more and more traffic. More and more traffic means more and more money. More and more money means you are going to go lot of money out of your videos. Determine the topics. The topic is extremely important. You just pick up some topic, you make a video, you post it on YouTube, and you want to expect money from it, generate traffic and get monetized. It is not going to happen. You need to do a lot of research and determine what kind of topic is more suitable, what kind of topic can work, and what kind of topic can bring you more money. Generate curiosity. A dull, drab video will take you nowhere. It has to be innovative, it has to be catchy, it has to be something interesting, it has to generate curiosity. The more the curiosity, the more the traffic. Engaging, it has to be engaging. When you create a video, you actually interacting, communicating and engaging with the users visually. The more engaging, the better for you. Multiple channel promotion again is extremely important. When you have a video on YouTube, Facebook or Twitter, LinkedIn, all over social media, the blogs, the landing pages, the website, it has to be everywhere. The more the multi-channel promotion, the more the traffic. Some of the benefits that you can draw out of this: visual creates impact. The visuals that people see on the video creates a far bigger impact. Users share videos and the wider reach. If I see a video somewhere and if I really like it, what I'll do is I'll definitely share it with my friends and colleagues, and it has more value. Mobile penetration, mobility penetration is huge. It is going to grow. It is going to grow even bigger. As long as it grows bigger, the more videos are here to stay. More potential to go viral. If by chance you create a catchy, innovative, out of box, very good video, and if it goes viral, there is no limit to it. You drive insane traffic to your YouTube channel, people watch it, and there are millions and millions of dollars that you can make if it goes viral. Searchable in Google, visibility and conversions. Videos are being more searchable in Google. People are watching more and more organic results in Google. The more the searches, the more the visibility, and the more the visibility, the more the conversions. The more the conversions, the more the money that you make. So these are some of the immense benefits of videos. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is YouTube ad types, the strategy, and of course the advertising benefits. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.